Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zendesk to Jira. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your Jira account. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and click on Apps. Okay. Click on it and click on Explore More Apps. Just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to look for Zendesk Support Jira. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on Enter. As you can see here, in the first search result, we have Zendesk support for Jira. Just go ahead and click on it. As you can see here, if you want to, you can go ahead and read everything right here. If not, just go ahead and click on Get It Now, which is for free. All right, click on it. Wait for the pop-up. And here, just click on Get It Now. It says here, adding Zendesk support for Jira. We'll tell you when your app has been added. All right, just close this one and wait for it to process. As you can see here, we have a notification. Your app has been added to your instance. It is ready for use. Just hit on Configure. You will be landed to this page. So what we're going to do in here to finally connect our Zendesk right here, just go ahead and enter our subdomain. You might ask, what is our subdomain? Just go ahead over to your Zendesk dashboard. And as you can see here, we have this one. In my case, I have answerasap.zendesk.com. So this one, Answer ASAP, is our subdomain, okay? Just go ahead and put that in here. Click on the tick box right here, which says, I agree, and hit on Authenticate. Another page will pop up. Just click on Allow. And as you can see here, I have an error because I don't have a web page. Also, I haven't set up this Jira account yet, okay? Now yours might be different. You'll be able to see your settings. All right, just go ahead and put your Zendesk support URL. And the Jira base URL right here will be automatic. You're going to want to select these options like assignee, group priority, status, and type. If you want to add in some more, just go ahead and do so. And then after that, just click on save and you're good to go. All right. If you want to read through this, if you want to restrict access to your Jira app or like adding fields to Jira, don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. Okay. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.